Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see using ChatGPT, you can fully automate web scraping of any website. It's very simple. How to use it? We will see detailed demonstration. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply, first of all, I will tell you as a demo point of view, I just scraping some of the data from the IMDb website, like here, like IMDb rating like 1 to 250 movies data. So we will see this data as a text format, and second thing, we will store this data as a CSV format. So how to do it? It's very simple. First of all, you need to open here ChatGPT using your username and password. After that, I just simply open here one of the folder like a demo. The folder is open here, and then after I just simply open here Anaconda Navigator and just demo point of view one of the environment. I open here Jupyter Notebook as a demo point of view as a desktop, and here demo folder is available. I just simply open here one of the file. I type here name web scraping, enter. So that's it. Now we will ask one of the question of ChatGPT first of all. So I just simply ask here web scraping the particular website name and with Python with Beautiful Soap. Beautiful Soap is a framework. That one is a supportable for the web scraping, and just we are raising the question here, and after that the ChatGPT are providing us as a simple logic here. Wait couple of seconds. Nowadays ChatGPT is not available as a free, so it's very slow. So now look at here, import request and Beautiful Soap as a BS4 and the particular URL is automatically coming here. We are asking the specific URL here, so the URL is coming here, and then after soap as a response as a .text file. We are not justify here the JSON format or CSV format. We will see how to save the data as a CSV format also, but first of all we are receiving this answer and then execute the code. Which types of result we are receiving after execution this code? Wait couple of seconds. Now the entire code is coming here. If you necessary, I just simply copy this code and open here my Jupyter Notebook, paste here the particular code here, and I execute this one, and boom, now we are receiving here total data as it is as a text format. Look at this here, the 250, and last movie name is a Gandhi. Here also Gandhi movie name is coming here last, so all data is coming here. Now point come here, how to save this data as a CSV format. It's very simple. We need to ask here another question. Please rewrite the script only extract title and year and output results into the CSV file, and just simply raise this question. After that, ChatGPT are providing you different types of script, and using the script we can store entire data as a CSV format. It's very simple. Now almost our script is ready. I just simply copy this code and open again here Jupyter Notebook, and I paste here, and inside the code look at this here, import CSV is not available. I just simply call it here import CSV, and here in this folder the import CSV automatically store as a CSV format. So I just simply execute this code, and look at this, the script is executed properly and CSV file is saved here like a 250 movie data is available as a CSV file. And after that you can apply here some of the machine learning algorithm and use this script, so you can use or you can scrap some other website data also. You just simply put it here the specific website URL, no matter Amazon, Flipkart or Paytm, or which types of website data you want scrapping for your research point of view or demo point of view using these tips and tricks. Hope you like this video. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.